Hello everybody, today we're going to be making tahini or tahiniya in Arabic. That is a very healthy and special sauce that is 2 ingredients and it only takes 2 minutes. And the 2 ingredients are going to be sesame seeds and sesame oil that are very rich in calcium. It's a lot better to take your calcium from food rather than as a supplement. And in this case, if you're not comfortable with dairy, because I know a lot of people have lactose intolerance like myself, this is a very, very good substitute. This also contains K2, which is really important for a specific cycle of vitamins. It goes first, you have to intake calcium. Then you have to go out in the sun and get some vitamin D3 that helps absorb the calcium into your body. And finally, you have to take K2 in order to distribute that calcium throughout your body. So it is this cycle that basically makes sure that you are well regulated and that your bones become very strong. And so it was very simple. Just blend up the sesame seeds and the oil, and then you're done. And you can use this in many dishes like hummus or mtabbal, which we will show you in upcoming videos. We hope you guys have a very easy time making this and that it keeps you healthy and happy. Happy tinying! Bye!